This is our Alard Equipment Corp. Item letter Y4896. It is a CMI dip tank washer rinser solution application tank, whatever nomenclature you want to assign to it. If you have questions about your application, give us a call at 315-589-4511, and we'd be happy to talk to you about whether this is the right tool for the job you have at hand. And we, of course, have a large inventory of other washers and washing and all kinds of food processing and packaging equipment, where if this isn't it, we probably can offer you something else. This machine is here in very good operational condition, which we hope to show you in a minute. Really, the only thing that you might find some fault with, there are some cleats missing from the belt. The belt looks to me to be in pretty good shape. It works good, and maybe just putting a few cleats in wouldn't be a world with a fence around it. But as I say, it is here in very good operational condition. Everything works, and we're going to show you that in just a minute. It has a water tank for washing or rinsing with overhead sprays back here. As you can see, it has a full-length bottom elevating discharge conveyor. It has a recirculating pump, and of course a nice stainless steel shrouded conveyor drive, as well as that stainless steel drive on the pump. It's a real nice machine. It has a pneumatic air controller here, which regulates the pneumatic power lift cylinder that lifts the conveyor out for sanitation and cleaning. That's all in great shape. It does what it's supposed to do. It lifts up, and it has a safety lock, so it locks in place so that it doesn't fall on you when you're doing the cleaning. And you have to make kind of a special effort to get it back down by lifting it up and releasing the lock. And then you turn the air off, and it takes a second, but it will go back down. Nice. Okay, so this piece, as I mentioned, is in very good operational condition. And we're going to show you what it does here. We'll turn it on and show you that everything operates as it should. Here's the overhead sprays. The conveyor is going up through. There's a regulating valve for the waterfall here prior to the discharge, which is very nice. There's a pan underneath here to catch the water dripping off and send it back into the tank. The pump is strong and powerful and does what it's supposed to do. Again, there's valves on everything, so you can regulate the intensity of the flow. Got lots of power. So, there it is, Alard item Y4896, a CMI dip tank, washer, rinser, solution tank, washer, whatever you want to call it. It is here in stock at Alard Equipment Company in Williamson, New York, available for immediate shipment in good operational condition, or we can, with a little time, a little lead time, refurbish it to excellent condition, which for this machine would basically mean replacing the belt and just giving it a few little tweaks and tunes, but it's pretty darn good just as it sits. If you have any questions, give us a call at 315-589-4511. And again, here it is, Alard item Y4896 in stock at Alard Equipment Company, available for immediate shipment.